What up, what up? It's your boy Credit K, man. Back with some more CPN sauce. Listen, a lot of you guys are having issues and trouble with getting approved with stuff for your CPN, even creating a credit monitoring account, Credit Karma, whatever. Now, Credit Karma is cracking down on, new profiles. So there's other credit monitoring accounts. Just Google Credit Karma alternatives, sites like Credit Karma. It's easy to find these things. But a lot of you guys are hard to get approved or have to show extra identification because the number you're using possibly could belong to somebody already. You might have bought a number for somebody. You might have tried to create one of your own, looking at my videos or other ones. And the problem is that, you're not getting approved, and the issue could be that it belongs to somebody. So you need to get your number skip traced. You can pay for additional services, search bug. There's countless skip tracing websites out there, Google skip tracing. And now I'm offering that service to all my followers, subscribers, and everybody tapped into the Credit K network. I'm offering to validate and do a lookup on your number to make sure it doesn't belong to anybody, make sure it's valid, and that you can use it all for a small fee. Very, very small fee. Hit me up. We can do it. I'm going to leave a link down in the description to contact me and hit me up just for that service. So look for that, or message me on any social media, Credit KAE on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, X, everywhere. But that's one of the issues, one of the main issues, that you need to get your number skip traced to make sure it doesn't belong to anybody, and that is possibly the way that you're getting denied. Also, you need to build strong public records. I mean 9, 10, 12, 15, 100 public records will get you approved a lot sooner, and will get you to where they're not asking for your ID, asking for all these documents when you try to get approved. I know that's frustrating. You think your profile number is not good. It's not that your number is not made right. It's just that you might not have enough public records, or it may belong to somebody else. So some things you got to look for, some things you got to know about. So message me, and I will skip trace that for you for a small fee. Tap in with me. I got packages, CPN packages for everybody. Probably gonna be my last couple of months doing CPs. Coming up, got a lot of other things in the works, so probably gonna stop doing CPs, but I will still have trade lines, authorized user trade lines. Another thing, you cannot buy primary trade lines. Now, some people sell backdated auto loans, some people sell mortgages. Most of the people who say they're doing it online are scamming. They're not really bringing those results to people. So be very, very careful. If you do got the backdated auto primaries, then hit me up. And if you get with somebody who got them and successfully, then hit me up. I'll vet them. I'll check them out. But other than that, yeah, you got to make sure you have some good AUs on there, good public records, a good valid number you can use, and the sky's the limit. You should be up through there and getting approved for what you want, and make sure you keep everything in your own name, so therefore you can mitigate any fraud or any identity theft things going on. You don't want that. So this is for educational purpose only. Go ahead and know the proper way to build a CPN number. All right, later.